Hey, how's it going? I'm Kuje from Formwork, and this is a Moth Apron. This is an overall style apron that I designed as a one-size piece. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process of making it. Just a quick note, this is not a standalone tutorial, so you will need the pattern and the written instructions to follow the process. Think of this more as a visual guide to support the process. The pattern is available through the link in the description. Before connecting any piece, I recommend transferring all the markings from the pattern to the fabric. Although, if you forget some, don't worry, you can always do it later, as you'll see I did in this video. Take the front and back pocket pieces and finish the side and bottom edges with an overlock or zigzag stitch. Finish the top edges with a double fold hem and top stitch in place. Fold the side and bottom seam allowances to the wrong side and press in place. Take the front main body piece, and if you haven't already, use a pattern to transfer the pocket placement markings onto the fabric, and use those to align the front pocket in place. This is just a guide. If it doesn't fit perfectly, don't worry, it should still help you align the pocket correctly. Once you've done that, go ahead and pin the pocket in place and sew around the side and bottom edges to secure. With the help of a ruler, make a line right in the middle of the pocket, and stitch along this line to have two smaller pockets. Put the front main body piece aside, and do the same thing with the back main body piece. Use a pattern to transfer the placement markings on both sides, align the pockets, and pin in place. Sew around the side and bottom edges to secure in place. Set the back piece aside for later. For the side pockets, finish the top, bottom, and long straight edge with an overlock or zigzag stitch. Leave the short straight edge unfinished. To finish the diagonal pocket opening edge, use a double fold hem. Then, fold and press the seam allowances previously finished to the wrong side. Mark notch 1 from the pattern to the front main body piece, and use it to position the pockets. Pin in place and top stitch along the edges to secure. Take the 8 strap pieces and place 2 pieces right sides together. In total, you should have 4 straps. Sew around the side and top edges, leaving the bottom edge open. Trim the corners to minimize bulk. Now you want to turn each strap right side out. For this, you will need a pencil, stick, or similar tool. As you can see, I used a paintbrush and it worked just as well. Press flat and top stitch around the edges. Place the front and back main body pieces right sides together. Use notch 2 from the pattern to align the side edges. Pin or clip in place. Sew along the side seams and stop at notch 2. Align the inseam and pin or clip in place. Sew it in a continuous seam. Using fabric scissors, make a small slit in the middle of the inseam. After that, fold the side seams to the back main body piece and go ahead and top stitch along it. At this point, steps will vary depending on what option you will be making. For this guide, I chose the fully lined version, but if you'd rather do the facing option, this is what you should do. For every facing piece, press the seam allowance to the wrong side. Connect any pieces if necessary following the written instructions. Align the facing pieces with the main body right sides together. Sew and press carefully. After that, top stitch around the lower edge of the facing. Now if you're doing the fully lined option, place the front and back lining pieces right sides together. The same way we did with the shell, align the side edges using notch 2 as reference. Sew along the side seams and the inseam. To attach the shell and the lining, you will have to insert the shell right side out into the lining, making sure the right sides are together. Align the neckline and armholes and pin or clip in place. Carefully insert the straps between the shell and the lining. For the back, place them on each shoulder. Make sure that the strap is sandwiched between the shell and the lining. For the front, position one strap at each outer edge of the top section. Now sew around the neckline and armholes, securing the straps. Clip the corners and curves where necessary. To prepare the bottom hem, first fold the seam allowance along each leg opening to the wrong side on both the shell and the lining pieces, and press them in place. Repeat for the other leg as well. Turn the garment right side out through one of the leg opening. To finish the bottom hems, align the leg seams of the shell and lining, matching the previously folded edges, and pin or clip in place. Sew the leg openings together. To finish up, top stitch along the neckline and armholes and give everything a final press. And that's a Moth apron. I decided to be worn as an overall style apron, so you just step in and wear it over your clothes. The straps help you adjust it to the length of your torso, so what I do to put it on is I start making a knot. This creates a hole that you can put your arm into, then adjust it to wherever it feels comfortable, make another knot, and that's it. As you can see, it's a little bit oversized. My intentions were to make a relaxed fit to make it work with any body type. This is the front, this is the back. Now, every version might come out a little bit different. I think that's part of the process. I actually do encourage you to use your creativity. You can use color blocking, you can use different materials, that's up to you. Don't forget that if you want to make your own, you can find the pattern through the link in the description. If you make your own, I'd love to see it. You can tag me or find me on my Instagram at Guyanavaro. Thank you so much.